Hello, what is an ovoid? An ovoid is a shape or an element that is used in form line design to help create designs that are traditionally used in the Northwest Coast, in an area ranging from the Columbia River to Yakutat and Cordova. There's many different native groups or tribes that use this style of artwork along the coast, and it's been this form of art that has been used for thousands of years. What is an ovoid? An ovoid is a shape that you can find in nature as well as in our art form. One of the places you can find it every day, anywhere you look, is in the palm of your hand. You can see here in the palm of my hand I have an ovoid shape. And also, if I were to take and look at my thumbnail here, it's kind of hard to see with the light, but it is also in the shape of an ovoid. Here I have a piece of copper that I cut out, which is also in the shape of an ovoid. You'll notice that the bottom is nearly flat and the top is got a nice curve to it, and we curve and transition down to the sides and curving in a smaller curve down into our bottom. The widest point is going to be here on the edges, and this is the basic shape of an ovoid. Now when we're drawing form line design, we don't just use that shape alone, we also create what's called a form line ovoid. And when we're drawing a form line ovoid, we are creating our own coloring line, which has an inside edge and an outside edge. And you can see here, I have a form line ovoid cut out. We have our outside edge here and our inside edge in here. And you'll notice how with this ovoid that the top is thicker than the bottom and the sides are of a very similar thickness coming around. And with the form line ovoid, we are going from thin to thick to thin. And this is true of all of our art form. We are always creating our lines to go from thin to thick to thin. And you can see behind me here a couple examples of ovoids here. One right here in this design here, you can see where I have a big ovoid here in the center of this design, a big form line ovoid with a floating ovoid inside. And also up here in this little face, you can see that I have a small ovoid for an eye. And then in this design up here, you can see I have an ovoid for the eye and the eye socket of this eagle. There's another ovoid inside the body, over here in the end of the wing, down here in the tail, and also right here in the talon. And then down here you'll see ovoids in the head of this hummingbird and the body of the hummingbird, and also over here in the wing of the hummingbird. Ovoids are used a lot for this kind of work, and I can't wait to show you how to draw one. Thank you.